Good morning, guys. Today I have a jam-packed day and I thought maybe I'll take you with me. Not our usual, but I thought it would be fun. Spend the day with me as a makeup artist, mom, and entrepreneur. That sounds good. I started drinking warm water in the mornings. I've been doing acupuncture for pain treatment, and one of the things they said is we do too much cold, which I understand. So having something warm kind of wakes the body and the system up, especially your digestive system, your gut. I've been doing it. I feel great. My stomach feels okay, which is another issue for me. So today we have a full schedule. It's one of my favorite days of the week. It is shopping day for one of my one-on-one clients. I also have an event this morning in my private beauty community. So we're gonna get the kids off to school, get ready for the day. We're going to host that community event. Then I'm gonna head out. Oh, I'm doing laser hair removal today. I'm on my 7th session, I think, from an 8 package session. I've already bought a follow-up package, girl. It's working, but I'm a little werewolf, so I need the extra sessions, but it is working. I do see for sure the improvements. I got some fun new packages in PR today. The set from Rare Beauty, I'm so excited to try out. I did already pull one out to use for today's event in our community. We're going to be talking about lip trends, so I pulled a few products to do a demo. But this is my little setup here for just a few minutes today. I know that pushing your sleeves up, it's cool and it makes it chic, but as a tall person whose sleeves are always short, to me, it's just, my sleeves are too short. So I'm gonna push it up and hope that you don't notice. It's triggering for us tall people. I'm gonna finish up my makeup downstairs. Let's just fix my hair. I just need to do my brows. I don't think I need to add any heat. I just need to brush it. Let's go finish up in my office. I'm so pale. I refuse to do a lighter foundation. Oh my god. Having a quick breakfast. Muesli cereal with warm milk is oatmeal, just in case you didn't know. Hey everyone, welcome to our second Trend Talk Tuesdays. I'm excited because I think today's trend is going to be a good one, and I think you're going to enjoy it because last week's was a little bit iffy, right? Yeah. No, I know. Not you tried it. Oh my gosh. Okay, just finished our live and I want to show what the lip combo looked like. It's so pretty. I couldn't put this on the vlogging camera because that camera is ugly. That does not make anything look pretty. I do not know. Hello. Okay, I gotta go.
Why is traffic looking like Friday afternoon on a holiday?
Right.
And y'all are trying to get out of town to Disney World. So I got to make it make sense.
Hi. Good, thank you. Checking in. Take off everything. I definitely wore deodorant. That was spicy. Just finished with laser. That was a lot. I am going to take a few moments to sit in my car and gather myself together. I have no idea what my face looks like because I was smushed. I do full legs, full Brazilian, back of the Brazilian, and underarms. And it's also raining, so we are going to put our hair up. I'm not sure how cute that is, but I'm not trying to blow dry my hair again. So now we're shopping, and this is gonna be a clean beauty custom makeup kit.
All right, thank you.
See, this is why I stay home. Except for my clients. Love you guys. Mean it. See, this is what I said about this location. Is only 2 cars can park here. Is only 2 cars can park here, and I can't. We need to find Ilya. So do we need? No, we didn't need anything. Here we go. Did you have more of this one?
I can check the back for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's not in stock.
It's not? Okay. Thank you. Do you guys have the bronzers?
Yeah, it doesn't look like we carry an actual bronzer.
I think I am done with shopping today for the most part. I'm not gonna lie, this was a little stressful. A little bit stressful. Everything was spicy today. The laser was extra spicy. The foundation matching was extra spicy. So I'm just gonna do a quick return for the hubs, and then I'm gonna be meeting a friend for her birthday dinner. Well, it's dinner now. Initially lunch, but it's dinner now. I just realized that my 1 second, let me throw this bun up so that my hair doesn't get wet, is the updo of the century. Will I ever be able to replicate this again? No, probably not. You know, I actually was surprised that I didn't have. I thought I had these things to return. Bring it home. That's cute. I just walked around the entire building. Okay. Pinky gets hello before me.
I said hello to Pinky before I said hello to her.
Dinner, charcuterie and cheese board.
I don't, like I said, I normally come for brunch. I normally I get brunch.
They're still brunchy at night, apparently.
Okay.
All right, dinner begins at 4, so we can go there.
Did you see anything on the menu?
I looked at the pictures and it was food.
Oh, girl, look at the menu real quick.
It was plates, you know what I mean? Yes, yes, yes. All right. I found some seats. How are you?
Salud.
Salud.
I'm like, I think think at this point, just do something. At this point, I'm just like...
The evening is turning to an evening of big back. Big back Saj.
Did you say big back?
I had 2 rolls. Two. And it was pretty big roll.
I'm gonna help her out. 2 3/4 because I had 2 of the pieces on the second one.
So we're having dessert now.
So this is the Caesar crate. It has Nutella with bourbon gelato. It's actually an Italian name and I don't want to mess it up, but it's bourbon with Madagascar vanilla.
And I'm having tiramisu, a very basic girly.